In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Slack QR code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure you have the Slack desktop app installed and open on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Slack website or your application store. Once you're all set up and logged in, let's get started. Now, on the top left corner of your sidebar, you'll see your workspace name. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. We're looking for the option that says Sign In on Mobile, but keep an eye out for Get the Mobile App, as it can sometimes be listed under that label, depending on your version of Slack. Once you select that option, a temporary QR code will appear on your screen. This QR code is what you'll use to log into Slack on your mobile device, so don't go anywhere just yet. Now, it's time to grab your phone. Make sure you have the Slack app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't done that yet, you can find it in the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. After you have the app, tap to open it. If you're not already logged in, you might see an option to log in or sign up. If you're using the app for the first time, just follow the initial setup prompts until you get to the login screen. Now, at this point, you'll want to look for the option that allows you to log in using a QR code. It might say something like Scan QR code or Log in with QR code. It can vary slightly between devices and app updates. Once you find that option, tap it and your camera will open up. What you need to do now is quite simple. Hold your phone steady and point it toward the QR code that's displayed on your computer screen. Make sure the code is well centered in your camera view for the best results. The app will recognize the QR code almost immediately, and within just a few seconds, you should be logged in to your Slack workspace on your mobile device. It's that easy. No complicated passwords to remember, just a quick scan and you're good to go. If you encounter any issues while scanning, make sure there's enough light and that your camera is focused on the code. Sometimes, slightly adjusting the distance can also help if it's having trouble recognizing the code. And there you have it. Your Slack account is now accessible on the go. This QR code method is a great way to seamlessly connect your desktop and mobile experience, ensuring you can stay connected no matter where you are. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips. Happy slacking!